Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about plaster of Paris. What is plaster of Paris? What is the formula of plaster of Paris? How plaster of Paris is prepared by using gypsum, and which conditions are necessary to prepare plaster of Paris? What are the properties of plaster of Paris? What are the properties of plaster of Paris? The plaster of Paris, the formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 and of H2O, or CaSO4 twice H2O. This is the plaster of Paris. The name of CaSO4 of H2O is the calcium sulfate semihydrate or hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate semihydrate or hemihydrate. The formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 of H2O. It occurs in nature as gypsum and the anhydrous salt of anhydride. It is prepared by precipitating a solution of calcium chloride or nitrate with dilute sulfuric acid. The effect of heat on gypsum. The effect of heat on gypsum. The effect of heat on gypsum or the dihydrate presents a review of interesting changes. On heating, the monoclinic gypsum is first converted into orthorhombic from without loss of water. When the temperature reaches 120 degrees centigrade, the hemihydrate or plaster of Paris is the product. The latter loses water, becomes anhydrous above 200 degrees centigrade, and finally above 400 degrees centigrade it decomposes calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. This is the plaster of Paris preparation. The plaster of Paris, for we taking plaster of Paris preparation, the first we taking gypsum. The gypsum is in the form of monoclinic structure. The gypsum formula is CaSO4 2H2O. On heating and hardening to remove H2O molecule to produce a CaSO4 H2O. The one molecule is removed by heating. On heating, the one water molecule will be lost to produce a CaSO4 H2O. And then heating 120 degrees centigrade to remove another water molecule also. So CaSO4 will be formed, and then 200 degrees centigrade to produce a calcium sulfate semihydrate, of is called the semi or hemihydrate. This is the plaster of Paris preparation. And the preparation of plaster of Paris, some following conditions are very necessary to prepare plaster of Paris. That is, the temperature should not be allowed to rise above 393 kelvins, because the above this temperature the whole of water of crystallization is lost. The resulting anhydrous CaSO4 is called the dead bond plaster will be formed, because it does not have the properties of setting of water. That's why we are only need to prepare plaster of Paris, that is the temperature is not rise above 393 kelvins. Only we maintain 200 degrees centigrade. And the next one is the gypsum should not be allowed to come in contact with the carbon containing fuel. Otherwise, some of it will be reduced to calcium sulfite. And the properties of plaster of Paris are: it is a white powder. On mixing with 1/3 of its weight of water, it forms a plastic mass of that sets into a hard mass interlocking crystals of gypsum within 5 to 15 minutes. It is due to this reason that is called as plaster. The addition of common salt accelerates the rate of setting, while a little borax or alum reduces it. The setting of plaster of Paris is believed to be due to the rehydration, believed to be rehydration and its reconversion into gypsum. Reconversion into gypsum. For example, the plaster of Paris will react with rehydration. That means rehydration means addition of water molecule to produce a gypsum. To produce gypsum. That's why this equilibrium reaction gives them like this. And the uses of plaster of Paris is it is used as producing molds for pottery and ceramics and casts of statues. And also it is used as surgical bandages for fractured bones, and it is used in dentistry. Dentistry means dental, and bones fractures, the surgical bandages for fractured bones. These are the plaster of Paris uses. What is plaster of Paris? This is the important question in the S block elements. That is, the plaster of Paris is the calcium sulfate semi or hemihydrate. The formula of plaster of Paris is the CaSO4 of H2O or CaSO4 twice H2O. These are the plaster of Paris preparation. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and watch it.